Hi everybody, the control system in the core part of the engraving machine, which is equivalent to the human brain and is very important. Today we will explain the common questions of the system for everyone and hope to help you. When the design size is inconsistent with the actual engraving size, it's usually caused by imprecise pose equivalent parameters. We can ensure the accuracy of engraving by calculating and modifying the correct pose parameters in the system. First, back to mechanical origin after booting. Second, use a ruler to measure the distance between the machine and the reference object. Third, the system switches to the workpiece coordinates. All coordinates are reset to 0. Fourth, use the handle to advance 100 mm distance. The greater the advance distance, the greater the pulse error. Fifth, measure the distance between the machine and the reference object again, and calculate whether the actual advance distance of the machine is the advance distance of the workpiece coordinate system. Sixth, if there is an error, first calculate whether the pose equivalent is correct. The calculation formula, actual distance or design. Distance current, pose equivalent. 7. Find the pose equivalent parameter option in the system and modify the calculated value. After watching today's video, we can respond in time if there is a problem with the system in the future. Thanks for watching.